Hey everyone, I realized that the setup looks different today. That's because it's dark. Normally I record videos in the daytime, but I've had some changes to my schedule recently and it's really thrown me off of my game. I had an opportunity and it's not going to be long term, but I thought it made sense financially to jump on it. But it did mean compromising the time that I had to set aside each week for this whole online business stuff. I know I'm not the only one who is working a job and trying to grow these side hustles, so I'm not going to complain. I'm just saying, right now I'm in the middle of change. So what is the purpose of this video? Well, first of all, it's to reassure everyone that I'm alive. I've been getting lots of messages from folks saying, "Where have you been? Is everything okay?" Because I have been consistently publishing content on YouTube since about last summer, about June. So to take a couple of weeks off has been a pretty big deal. I haven't totally quit though. I've been working through my February content challenge, and while I am behind, I'm about 3/4 of the way there with just a few days left in February, and I'm really feeling the short month here. But I think I'm going to get there. I'm going to try to get a big push in tomorrow and then on Saturday, and I should be gold. I also wanted to highlight that Motion Invest, if you saw one of the videos I published last month, I think, the interview I did with John Gillam, they're giving away a site. Now, I know it's one of those giveaways where you get lots of entries for doing things like going on Twitter and going on your Facebook and all these things. And you know they're doing it because they want people to know about them and they want to gain followers on all their social media accounts. But they're giving away a site that is currently earning a couple $100 a month, and it doesn't cost anything to join in. So in the description, you're going to see my code, my referral code. You don't have to use it. You can just go straight to motioninvest.com and enter the giveaway, or you can use my code, my referral code. Honestly, I would really love for someone from this community to win that site. I just think it would be so cool. They're also giving away some prizes that I think are actually high value. So I was cleaning up this video and I was super disappointed with how this section turned out because I realized that I did not provide very good information about this giveaway. The giveaway is open right now and it ends April 7th. And what you're looking at right here is the motioninvest.com website. And you can see that I have 19 entries and there are close to 12,000 entries so far, but there's a lot of time left to enter. So what will the website winner receive? They're going to give 1 year of their content strategy plan, a growth plan, a keyword research plan, access to the Link Whisper account, which I think is pretty valuable in and itself, an Amazon Audit premium account for a year. And because I don't do a lot with Amazon affiliate, I honestly don't know whether or not that is super awesome. The same as far as an Amalinks Pro account. I don't know what that is, but who doesn't like free stuff? And so what is the site? They're giving away an Amazon associate site making over $100 per month, and it appears to be growing, which is awesome. And they have some other prizes they are giving away. So in the first week, they are giving away a lifetime account for up to 3 sites with Link Whisper. In week 2, they are giving away a growth plan and a keyword research plan. In week 3, they are giving away a premium account for 1 year with Amazon Audit, plus Doug Cunnington's five-figure niche site enrollment. In week 4, they're giving away access to Jared Krause's Buying Online Business Community and 6 months of the Site Speed Accelerator through Ezoic, which we have talked a lot about lately, and I know a lot of us are on the fence about trying it. And then in week 5, they are giving away a content surge strategy document. I do not know if this is awesome or not, but who doesn't like free stuff? You have until April 7th to enter, but they've given everybody a lot of incentive to get registered early to try to win prizes in week 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And see, look, every friend I refer, I get 4 additional entries. And now back to the update. I checked in on the income store cases yesterday, and I don't see any major movement at this point. Moving forward, I'm probably going to end up with a slightly reduced upload schedule, at least until I get things figured out. I am going to continue to prioritize producing content for the blog, for my case study, just because I think that the potential upside of having a site that is growing later in the year is so valuable. I've got so many other ideas and the shiny objects that are just calling me. But for now, I'm just going to try to stick with uploading articles as much as I can and then connecting with folks on YouTube. And that's pretty much it. I do think I am going to continue to roll into a content challenge for March. So if there are folks out there who want to jump in and be in an accountability group for March for publishing content, I'd love to have you. I'm going to try to be more active and work a bit harder, even though I have pushed pretty hard in February already. But I haven't pushed that hard on the community this much because I was fairly busy myself. but I would like to encourage more engagement like we had in January. February has just been a little bit quieter, I think, because people worked pretty hard in January. All right, guys and gals, been great to check in with you. If you watched this video to the end, go down into the comments and let me know how you are doing, what's going on with you and your projects. I would love to know, would love to chat with you more about what it is that you are working on. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.